Question 3. The sequence u1, u2, u3, and so on is defined by un plus 1 is equal to k minus 24 over un, where u1, so the first term in this sequence, is 2, where k is an integer. Given that u1 plus 2u2 plus u3 is equal to 0, part A, show that 3k squared minus 58k plus 240 is equal to 0. Well, we've got u1 plus 2u2 plus u3, so let's find u2 and u3. So we are given that u1 is 2. Now, here is our iterative formula. We're told the next term is equal to k minus 24 divided by the previous term. So for u2, that is k minus 24 divided by u1, which is 2. We can simplify this 24 over 2 here, so u2 is k minus 12. Now u3 will be equal to k minus 24 over u2. That is k minus 24 over k minus 12. So we have u1, u2, and u3. Given that u1 plus 2u2 plus u3 is equal to 0, we can now substitute this u1, u2, and u3 into this equation. And this gives us 2 plus 2 lots of u2 plus u3 is equal to 0. Our job now is to rearrange this and hope that we get 3k squared minus 58k plus 240 is equal to 0. So the first step I'm going to take is to multiply every term by k minus 12. So 2 times k minus 12 plus 2 lots of k minus 12 all squared plus k times k minus 12 minus 24 is equal to 0. Now, very carefully, let's start to expand these brackets. Expanding the first bracket, 2k minus 24. Let's expand the k minus 12 squared first. So that's 2 lots of k squared minus 24k plus 144 plus k squared minus 12k minus 24 is equal to 0. Expanding that final bracket, 2k minus 24 plus 2k squared minus 48k plus 288 plus k squared minus 12k minus 24 is equal to 0. And thankfully, bringing together our terms now, 2k squared plus k squared is 3k squared. 2k minus 48k minus 12k is minus 58k. And minus 24 plus 288 minus 24 is indeed 240. So we have shown this equation. Part B, I want to find the value of k, giving a reason for our answer. Well, we've got a quadratic here. We can jump straight to our calculator to solve this polynomial. Using our calculator then to solve this polynomial, if we go to menu, scroll down here for A, equation and function, we can solve either a simultaneous equation or a polynomial. We're solving a polynomial. It is of degree 2 because we have a quadratic, and we have 3x squared, we have negative 58k, and then we have plus 240. Push equals gives us two values, two solutions, 40 over 3 or 6. We may also choose to factorize, and indeed this one does factorize. 3k squared minus 58k plus 240 can be written as 3k minus 40 and k minus 6 is equal to 0. Solving each of these factors equal to 0 would give us a k value of 40 over 3, or a value of k is equal to 6. Now, if we go back up to the start of our question here, where k is an integer, 40 over 3 is not an integer, and so k is equal to 6, as 6 is an integer. Part C, I want to find the value of u3. If we first look to find a value of u2, then our u2 is k, which we now know to be 6, minus 24 over u1, which is 2, which gives us a u2 value of minus 6. Then we can use this to find u3. u3 will be k minus 24 over u2, which we have just shown to be minus 6. This gives us 6 plus 4. 24 divided by minus 6 is minus 4, but then minus 4 plus 4. And so our value for u3 is 10.